Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 58,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, and rear privacy glass.